me like a Hellcat.
Hi guys. So today I'm going to show you how to win the SMURFS event, epic minigames. Yeah. So yeah, it works 2016 and maybe future versions. I don't really know. That's okay. So press play. Wait. For some reason. Yeah, so it's connecting. Just wait. Okay. Okay. Now we are in ROBLOX. It's loading. Okay. So right now I'm in a game. So I gotta tell you guys something like what did I want to say again? Oh yeah, it happens randomly, the SMURFS event. Like it doesn't happen like every game, because right now the SMURFS event is right here. April 7th is my birthday, which is like super epic coincidence. But yeah, I want to say it happens randomly when the next minigame is coming. Like it can happen now or later. So yeah, yeah. I'm gonna probably put on a time lapse and then stop the time lapse when it's like done. Yeah, no, okay. So yeah. Okay, so see here, the game, the SMURFS event is now here. So yeah, here it is. So now I'm gonna show you how to like play it, like what to do. So yeah, what you gotta do is like walk around. You see those blocks, pick them up. Because if you don't, then this will not go up, and then if this will not go up, then you will lose. So yeah, you don't have to follow every step I walk right now. You don't have to, because the blocks fall randomly. Just to let you guys know. Yeah, you gotta quickly do that because there's a timer, and if you like do it too slow, and you like lose, and then you'll not win the SMURF event thing. So yeah, run here, run here, run here, then here. I'm like 30 blocks in now. Like soon I want to have 10 blocks again. So yeah, we're like super epic right now. Okay, now 16 seconds left, and then we got the last block, and here we won. Thank you guys for watching the tutorial I made. I hope you guys really liked it, so please like and subscribe and put notification bell if you want to. Goodbye.